In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your dashboard if you install a plugin and it messes something up. For me, I was trying to install a plugin to simplify the dashboard for my clients. And it was supposed to only show users with a specific role certain menu items. Well, in doing so, it actually broke the site, and now I can't even access all of my menu items. As you can see over here in the left side menu, there's not the usual menu items don't appear. So I have no way to access plugins or anything else. So I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. What you want to do is you're going to have to log in to your WordPress blog through an FTP client. I use FileZilla. You want to log in and you want to navigate to your WordPress files, and you want to locate the plugins folder, and then you want to locate the plugin that caused the damage. So for me, it was WP Custom Admin Interface. So I'm going to right click on that directory and delete it. And once all of the files are deleted, you can go back into the dashboard and refresh, and you should have access to all of your menu items again. So as you can see, I just refreshed here and that has resolved the issue. I can now access everything. So that's how you fix a problem with a plugin that causes irreversible damage and locks you out of your site or whatever. That's how you fix the issue. So I hope this has helped you. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Also leave a comment and tell me how this has helped you if you've used this to fix a particular problem. Thanks for watching. Bye.